ng damdamin ko. Wow! Woo! Thank you so much po, Wish. Hindi po kami nakapag-ready ng speech, dalawa lang. So in-expect namin yung kanina. Hindi po talaga namin ito in-expect. Gusto po ulit namin pasalamatan ng aming fans or jowas. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Gusto po namin i-congratulate lahat po ng aming fellow OPM artists. You inspire us so much. Maraming salamat po sa pag-raise ng bandera ng OPM. Proud na proud po kami sa nagawa natin last year. Hopefully this year, mas maraming heights pa po yung magawa natin. And ayun po, gusto ko lang po ulit sabihin yung message na gusto namin parating. If you're also one of those who had to sacrifice a lot to reach their dreams, if you're also one of those na high schoolers lang noon na sobrang taas ng pangarap, if you're also one of those who feel like you don't belong sa norms ng society, if you're also one of those na feel nyo hindi nyo kayang gawin dahil part kayo ng queer community, sana po ay you were able to see a glimpse of your faces in ours. And maraming salamat po sa recognition na to. Mabuhay ang OPM!